Good morning, sir. What's your name?
Logan.
Logan? Nice to meet you, Logan. Logan, what is your favorite color?
Green.
Green? What is your favorite animal?
Nemo.
Really?
Yes.
And what is Nemo? Is Nemo
A fish.
a fish? And what is...
Festival.
Just a second, Nene. What is your favorite movie?
Those lions, they talk. We don't like Scar because he's mean.
Right.
I eat Scar.
You eat Scar?
Yeah, I eat them.
What's that movie called?
Lion King.
The Lion King. What's your favorite song?
See the chipmunks.
The Chipmunks. What's your favorite food?
Pretzels with milk and eggs.
Pretzels, chocolate milk, and eggs.
And strawberries.
Yum.
And watermelon.
Yummy. And who is your best friend?
Let's see, Daddy.
Daddy? And what do you want to be when you grow up?
Let's see, a man.
A man. And what's your favorite thing to do?
Fix the fan.
What?
Fix the fan when it's broken.
Fix the fan when it's broken. It's never been broken.
Yes, it was.
Really?
Yes, it was.
Now, Logan, I heard you can snap your fingers. Is this true? Wow.
I can snap it, yeah, like you.
Yeah. And Logan, let's see. Have I asked you everything?
Yes.
Anything else you can think of?
I'm going to the beach.
You're going to the beach? When?
I'm going to the beach summer.
In the summer? All right. Well, thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Love you.
Love you.